Hey, so that was our new puppy, Arrow. Thanks, Arrow. Appreciate it. We're gonna deep fry some Oreos today. Does that sound good?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it does. All right, so get into it. Got a tip for you right here. We keep our brown sugar in the freezer, which is probably not the best place to keep it, but it gets kind of hard and stuff. But you can put it in the microwave for 20 or 30 seconds, and then it'll be soft again. Okay, I've got about a cup of self-rising flour. Into that, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of that brown sugar that I just microwaved, and it's all back to being nice and soft and stuff. You want to mix that up for me? I did, almost. And then I've got a couple tablespoons of melted butter I'm going to put in there also. Watch it, watch it. And then 1 egg. I'm basically just making really thick pancake batter here.
I got my cup of wine.
And then I'm just going to put just a splash or two of milk as I go. And like I said, just try and wind up with some really thick pancake batter. Alright, so I've mixed this just till everything's combined. It's, like I said, really thick pancake batter. And I'm just going to put a couple of these Oreos in there and get them good and coated, and then we'll drop them into some oil and let them cook. Alright, just going to drip a little bit of that in there and see if it starts cooking. And the oil is, yeah, it's pretty close to hot enough. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit. And alright, I'm just going to drop this in now that the oil's got up to temperature, and they are going to cook just till they turn golden. They may need to flip. They probably will, because that's not deep enough to cook both sides. But anyway, we'll let it go a couple of minutes and then flip it over and see what it looks like. Alright, so that went a couple minutes aside, and I'm just going to take this out. I got all my oil temperature messed with, and I think I got it going about where it needs to be. And we're going to start dropping them in 3 or 4 at a time now. Alright, yeah, just cook those up 3 at a time, and then when they came out, just put them on the oil. Yeah, 2 minutes aside. Worked out pretty good. Those look all good and steamy and deep fried and delicious and stuff, and I'm about to burn the inside of my mouth just for y'all. Oh yeah. Like, if you don't do anything else on my videos that I've ever shown you, please, please, please deep fry some Oreos. As a matter of fact, don't stop at Oreos. I'm going to hashtag this on Instagram. We'll say something like hashtag deep fried those. That sounds pretty good. Deep fry something, take a picture of it and tag me, and we'll deep fry those too. See y'all.